Hi guys, I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. As you can see, this is what the blinking light is. I put one of my trees up. I have a few of them. One right now is fine enough, and it is my favorite color. How you guys doing? Do you guys put up your Christmas decorations yet? I love Christmas. I'm really obsessed. So that's the reason why this one is up right now. And I haven't really started my Christmas shopping quite yet, but I think I'll work on it soon. I really love Christmas and there's so many people to get gifts for. So that's why I have to start early to make sure I don't miss anybody. Anyway, so last time I remember telling you guys, if you watched the video, and if you haven't, make sure you go and check it out, guys. But I did call up Venom as a prank at 3 in the morning, and it turned out to be a mistake, I think. I don't know. I mean, I seem to be fine, and my friend seems to be fine as well. I did check up on my friend, and my friend is swimming right now at the moment, which is why we're not hanging out right now. But I am getting really hungry, and I think my friend has blown me off for dinner plans. So I know it's really late, and I keep doing this, guys, but I'm doing it for you anyway, and also because I want to keep myself entertained. And I heard that this is like an amazing meal, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna order a Venom Happy Meal, and I heard it's really good, guys, and I think that I heard that he delivers himself or something. So what I did was I went online again and I got this number, and it was a suggestion by one of my friends. So I think I'm gonna try this out, and I'm kind of excited, but I'm a little nervous at the same time, guys, because crazy things happen all the time. I'm just gonna plug in this number right now. I'm gonna call it up and hope that he answers, because last time, guys, he didn't answer right away. He kind of hung up on me last time. Guys, it's ringing, but oh, okay. He hung up on me. I'm gonna try and call again. There we go. Okay. Hello? Hi. Okay, I think you know who I am now. I mean, I called you last time as a prank, but I think that I want to try your Happy Meal because I heard that you have a Happy Meal, and I heard that you deliver it specifically to whoever asks you to bring it. And I think we had like a little misunderstanding last time, but I think that we can, like move past this. I really want to try your Happy Meal. Try it at my own risk? What does that mean?
Whatever happens is on you.
Okay, well, you know what? Okay, let's meet up, actually. I can meet you at this. I can text you an address, and you can drop it off there, and then I'll pick up the Happy Meal. Is that okay?
Sure, I can drop it off.
Yeah, okay. So just leave it there. We don't even need to meet. Like, just leave the Happy Meal there, and I will see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, guys, so I made a deal with Venom, and I asked him to drop off the Happy Meal himself because I heard that that's what you're supposed to do, or that's what he does for the Happy Meal. And I'm gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna hope it's good. I mean, I heard some pretty good things about this, and my friend kind of bailed on me, so I think that I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tell my friend where I am, and of course my family, and make sure that I'm safe because it's not safe to go out alone, especially at this time. So I'm gonna head there right now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Let's go look for this Happy Meal. My god. Okay, guys, I've made it to the location, and I sent Venom my location. Well, the location I think we should meet at. I'm here now, and I really do kind of hate coming out at night, but this needs to be done. And as I said, I wanted to eat, and my friend did kind of bail on me. So right now I'm about to pick up my Happy Meal, and hopefully this isn't a trick, guys. I did bring my little shawl with me because it is a little chilly now and it's getting a little colder. So I'm just gonna walk and do it right now. Hey guys. Of course I'm scared. I left my car on just in case I have to run. Man, guys, this is so scary. I see like something there. I think like cautionary tape or something. says like game shopping again. Oh man, this is like the last time, guys, kind of. What's that sound? Oh my god, okay, let me see if this is it. I'm hearing voices. Is this it? Oh my god. Okay, so it looks like there's like Venom or something. Oh my god. Guys, I hear something. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh my god. I gotta go. This is so scary. I gotta run to my car. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't see anything. I don't see anything, guys. I don't see anything, but like I can't stay here. This is scary. I swear I heard a voice. And man, okay, I'm just gonna drive off, guys, and I'll catch you later at my place. See you in a bit, guys. Whew. Okay, guys, I am back. Oh my god, that was so scary. I could have sworn I heard like Venom talking or like laughing or something, and it really scared me, guys. Like, that's insane. So anyway, guys, I got the Happy Meal. Doesn't it look strange? Like, it looks really cool too, right? Like, I'm seeing like Venom and stuff like that on the picture. I am still wrapped up in my scarf or my little, you know, or my little wrap, you know, because like it was so cold outside, guys. Like, this is crazy. I know there's no snow yet, but my god, it's freezing. Anyway, let's see what we have inside here. So, what is this? Guys, I can't really make out what this is. Let me see. Oh my god. Guys, it looks like a toy. That looks like a toy of like Venom or something. That's crazy. Does it stand? It stands. That is so cool. Okay, what else do I have in here, guys? I mean, I got the toy first. Ugh. Oh my god. Ew. Guys, what is this? It's so squishy. Oh my god. What is this slime? Guys, this is nasty. This is like some weird slime stuff. Ugh. Guys, there's stuff on my hand. What is this? Ew. Ew. What kind of burger is this? That is so gross, guys. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but oh my god, ew. It looks like some Venom like stuff or something. Guys, I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the sound coming from? Guys, I don't see anything. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end the video right here. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Oh my god, I'm gonna get out of here and like hopefully find my friend or something. I can't do this. This is disgusting. This is actually gross. Like, my hands are nasty and there's nothing else in here except a box full of disappointment and some nasty like Venom or something. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Pierce is out.